Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of this incredible 420D M Sport Convertible. Then of course I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the car and just walk you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. And of course pop the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action, and of course take a look at what the vehicle looks like with the roof all the way up. It's presented in the black sapphire metallic, and of course we've fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the vehicle, alongside fitting the absolutely incredible 20-inch 795M Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres and come presented in the ferric grey. Situated behind those wheels you will see the M Sport Plus pack brakes. That is thanks to this car being equipped with that full M Sport Plus pack. And of course we'll go through what else includes that very shortly. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2016 FE66XHS, and there you'll be able to see those very striking Angeline xenon headlamps. Making our way down the side, again you'll see just how nicely presented this black sapphire metallic convertible is. We've got the gloss black air breathers, our gloss black sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, thanks to having that roof off, the already very eye-catching Oyster Dakota leather standing out very nicely there. All of the interior is in very nice condition on this car, and also comes with the convertible comfort package. Again, included in that is the air collar, so once activated we get a very nice warm draft of air coming through these vents. We've also got the electric movement and memory for driver's side, and of course the heated seats, along with the heated multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Again, thanks to the Plus pack, we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, and we'll take a look at the rear seats. Where in the rear you have an ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement with the central folding armrest, and situated behind the rear seats in the storage compartment is the wind deflector, which once in place is aimed to deflect some of that wind turbulence, which of course can sometimes be experienced when travelling at higher speeds with the roof down. And as you can see, they're all in a very nice condition. Making our way towards the rear, again showing you off those stunning 20-inch alloy wheels. Another nice feature of that YNC Mperformance body styling kit is the gloss rear spoiler and the satin rear diffuser. I'll open up the tailgate, allow you to have a look at the luggage compartment, which of course on most convertibles can be compromised space. However, BMW do think of everything, and they provide you with this switch here, which allows you to lift your roof out of that storage compartment when it is of course folded away, to save you having to put the roof all the way back up to gain access to your luggage compartment. And then we lift the storage tray open, and there you can see it is a very large size boot, along with being very nicely presented with the genuine floor mats of course. And it goes all the way back to the rear of the seats, and we simply pop that back down, close it all away. Everything folds neatly back into its storage compartment, and we'll move round to the other side to again show you how well and nicely presented this stunning convertible really is. And of course we're going to head on inside in a moment. I'm going to begin with starting the car up and getting the roof to come up, which is a very quick operating roof. It of course can also be used up to speeds of up to 15 miles an hour. So that is of course always useful. And being such a quick roof, of course if you get caught at traffic lights and you want to quickly operate the roof, that can be done very easily. Always useful in a country like that we're in the UK. Of course, should we get caught in a bit of a rain shower, it's not a problem. Whilst the roof is coming up, we'll run you through a couple of other features. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on that multi-function steering wheel. Professional wide satellite navigation and media, of course, currently displaying the audio CD function. However, once the roof movement's completed, I'll be able to run you through a couple of the other functions and features a little bit easier. There we go, roof movement completed. In terms of your multimedia, as you can see there, you get music collection, DAB, AUX, and of course USB inputs. We've got Bluetooth for telephone, and of course you've just seen the media, and of course the fantastic widescreen, making the navigation that little bit more user-friendly and nicer to use. At the home menu, we'll go across and take a look at the vehicle service history in just a second, not before showing you off the very nice dual climate control of course, and of course showing you off that fantastic heated M Sport steering wheel. So once that's activated, the outer rim of this multi-function steering wheel will then become nice and toasty for you, meaning of course you can have that roof down longer in the evenings, or of course any point throughout the day. In terms of your service history, as you can see on screen now, we've got full BMW service history right the way up to 50,000 miles. So all in all, a very nice, clean and tidy, well kept 420D M Sport Convertible. So the last thing is just to show you what the vehicle looks like with the roof all the way closed. And of course, I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around, found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully you found it useful and hopefully it will help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully guys, we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Take care, goodbye.